here from SatNav Systems, and today we have Volkswagen Transporter T6 that came over to us. We do quite a lot of these that came over to have the factory upgrades done on his car. And what we've done here, we installed front optical parking sensors, reversing camera, navigation system, all fitted using genuine Volkswagen parts. It's fully integrated, so it's like it would come from the factory. This is a camper vehicle, so has been modified from the normal standard transporter into a lovely camper van. For the sensors, we'll show you they are installed here, and the inner ones are here. Now it's got the reversing camera as well, which we installed here. So you can see it's got a tailgate, and obviously it's got the navigation, which is the main thing because it all works through it. So let me show you. This is navigation that we've done as well. It's all fully integrated nicely, and as I said, you don't need to go for any aftermarket Alpines or Kenwoods or anything like that. This is so much better having all original. So I'm just going to show you now the operation. So all works through the screen and main navigation, and the little between the rev counter, speedometer, the little cluster here. So you get the navigation system installed with the latest maps and speed cameras. You get the App Connect, so Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Mirror Link. You get the mentioned sensors and the reversing camera as well. That is all fully compatible. So you can see, let me just take that so there is no noise. So there you go. So you got the rear sensors picking up now. The fronts will pick up if we get closer to some obstacle. You've got the reversing camera. If I can just put that on the side for a moment. So it shows the rear bumper length, and so when you're reversing, it will show where you're going to end up if you hit something or not, which is really brilliant because it helps. Because the sensors, when they show you're getting close and give you the constant beep, there's always about a foot length left of the distance to get. And if you drive in a car like this, which is quite long and you obviously can't see at the back, camera is such a help, because then you can exactly reverse even further with that before you actually hitting the object. So that is a must for any car like this. And again, this is all installed to the factory specification, comes with a 3 years warranty, exactly as you would have it from the factory. So if you would have gone to the dealer and ordered these bits when you order the car and you just tick in the boxes in the catalog, this can be done retrospectively, exactly the same, using all original parts. So you don't have to go for any Alpine or Kenwood or anything like that. Just go for original, which is meant for being in the car. Works fully with all the rest of the electronics and supports it. And yeah, it's so much nicer to have a fully integrated system rather than just something that sticks out or it's just not. Obviously it's third party. Yeah, if you want more information, get in touch with us, info@satnavsystems.com, or go to our website, satnavsystems.com, click on the contact us page, fill in the details with your car details, and we'll be happy to assist you with further information of compatibility, prices and all that. Thank you.